Everyone, a few months ago I worked with Cobeads, and as you could tell by the title of this video, I'm back working with them again. They sent me some really cute beads that I want to show you, but before I do that, I want to talk a little bit about their website. They have a really cool website full of so many things. Oh my gosh, you guys have to check it out. And I'm not saying this just because they sent me beads, because I have ordered chain. I mean, you can buy a whole roll of chain and their prices are so good. They actually have, like, they feature different categories that on discount. And right now, from what I'm looking at, sorry, there's my doggy again. They have a summertime discount. They have, you know, pendants and charms on sale. They have a super promotion up to 70% off. So, you know, they feature discounts every week and certain product categories or themed, you know, like I said, the summer. So you definitely want to go and check them out and see what you guys think. And it's not just beading. They also have, you know, DIY crafts and all that kind of supplies for you guys to check out. So I will leave their website linked in the description box below. They were also kind enough to send me a discount code that you guys can use for a discount of 3% off. So you'll get 3% off when you place an order with that discount, plus whatever sales that they have going on. So you definitely can take advantage of some really good prices for beading items. So now that we have that out of the way, let's go and get started with our little project. First, I'm going to show you what beads I received, and then we can get started on our project. So I want to show you what they sent me first, and they sent me these beautiful rondelles. They come in this little case, which I love because once these run out, then I'm left, you know, with the case. So that is very cool, and all sorts of colors. I really like this because, you know, you got a variety of colors, you know, from your crystal clear, you know, your reds, your greens, so primary colors. So I really like these rondelles. And then they sent me these gorgeous pearls. They are grade A natural cultured freshwater pearl beads, potato, and the color is old lace, and they are 6 and 7 millimeters. Look at how pretty these freshwater pearls are. They're really nice. I already did a project with them, and they're really pretty beads. And I guess it's because I love pearls. So these freshwater pearls are absolutely gorgeous. You can use them in projects or use some silk string and not, you know, do some knotting with them. So they are really pretty. And then I also received, as I was talking about, you can get a full roll of chain, and I love this chain because each link, you know, you can separate it, and you can, besides it being, you know, besides it being a chain, if you separate these, let me show you, they are split, which I thought was really cool, that you can, you know, open them like a jump ring, and you have a beautiful large, textured jump ring. Isn't that cool? So, you know, either or, if you want to, or you could just, you don't have to waste it by cutting it. You just open you open the link like a jump ring, and then you can put it on any project. So I thought that was really cool. I really love this chain. This chain, in case anybody is interested, I mean, I know they change a lot, so I'm not sure if, hopefully they have it in stock, but this chain is called aluminum Rollo chain, Belcher chain, textured with spool. So this one is 11.5 by 2 millimeter, and you get about 32.8 feet. And this roll, seriously guys, this roll is $6. I mean, tell me that's not amazing. That is amazing. These beads, all of these were $6.99. I'm looking at the actual invoice. And the freshwater pearls were $5.41. So, like I said, they have fabulous price, because on top of that, then you can get, you know, a discount. I mean, you can really get a lot of beading stuff for a really good price. All right, so let's get started with our project. So I'm just gonna make a quick project so that it doesn't, so this video is not too long, but I am gonna feature some more. I am going to do another couple projects using these beads, so you guys can kind of get some ideas, some inspiration. So you'll see those in future videos, but we're just going to make these gorgeous little these little earrings just like this. Aren't they cute, these pearl earrings? So what you're going to need is 20 gauge wire, and I've got gold, and then one of the little pearls. Now if the hole is too small because of the because of the pearl, that they're freshwater pearl, you would need to do you have a bead reamer, and then you can use with some water and a bead reamer, and you can make the hole a little bit bigger. So that's what I did with this, so that I was able to fit in this 20 gauge wire. So what you do is you just put this here, this bead in here, should fit, hopefully. I know I tested it, so hopefully it's not going to disappoint me. Unless I mixed it up with another one of my beads. Oh no, I think I did. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how I do some bead reaming. Now I have this bead reamer from Beadalon, and it comes with some attachments, and this one is a diamond tip. Also has it also has a tip that you can do to round out the edges of wire for like ear wires. So what you do is you take your little pearl, and this is an old pot, it's not dirty. And you kind of wet your pearl just to make sure that you don't crack it. And you always want to have some water. And like I said, this tool, you can find it at Beadalon. So it's a really, really nice tool to have. And see, now we can fit our pearl in there. And there we go. All right, so now that we have this, like that, we can go, I'm gonna take off, as you can see, it kind of damaged the beginning of the wire, and we don't want that. So I'm gonna take off whatever the bead scraped. Now, we can take our bead, and see how it's already got a little groove, so that'll make it easier for us. So all you do is you take, and I'm working off the roll, you take your wire and you start to wrap it around your bead. And like that. Then you can go in the back, keep going around, like, I want to say, my hands are a little slippery, 2 or 3 times. And then once you have it in the back, then you can go through, see how we have a slot, I don't know if it's possible to see, we have a slot through the metal here. Now we can just kind of bring it through there. And let's see, and then you just kind of wrap as much as you want to make it a the bezel. And looks like, all right, well, maybe one more. So just go around one more time, make it so where you can really see the metal, the nice framing for the bead. Now that you have that, oops, wait, that doesn't look good. Kind of want to make sure that it looks nice around your bead. Okay, now I am going to cut, like, well, not too much, about there. And I can go around. Now you brought it up. This is a great way also to, if you don't have any head pins, you can do this to a bead, and it adds, like I said, I love the way the frame that it adds to the bead. See, now you have some lovely, elegant pearls. They're just simple and nice. I'm gonna go around one more time to have three loops. Kind of squish that down a little bit. And then cut it right here in the back. Whoop. Then you want to tuck in that end. And now for the top, all you need to do is bend this forward a little bit, and then bend it back. kind of make your little circle, change hands, and wrap it around maybe one time, just like that, and then cut that off. And tuck this in. See how pretty that is? And then you can just take any of these studs. I have a ton of these studs that I ordered, and they're just, I love these studs because they come in different shapes. And this one is a small circle. I also have a larger circle, and then all you have to do is just loop it onto here, and you've got an automatic stud. You can even glue stuff on here if you wanted to, but I like this stud, and I got different shapes coming. So stay tuned for that in my Etsy shop. I'm going to add these to the Etsy shop so you can see them there. The link is in the description box. Now all you do is just kind of hold this and close it like a head, what do you call it? A jump ring. Then you just, you know, you can buy the bunch. You can buy those little stoppers. I have a ton now, so I'm going to add those there. But then now you see you have a beautiful pair of simple but elegant pearl earrings. Isn't that pretty? So it's perfect for, you know, now that 4th of July is gone. I know it's sad, but it can be a gift, or you can start making your holiday gifts. I know I don't want to talk about, I don't even want to say the word, but you can, I'm just going to say holiday. For the upcoming holidays, you can make a beautiful gift. You can start making gifts now, and I'm sure they're going to love it, because I think a handmade gift is treasured so much more than something bought, but that's me. So a big thank you to Cobeads for sending me these items. I really enjoyed, and you can make so much with just a few things. You can make so many pieces of jewelry. I will feature another couple videos showing you guys a couple more projects. In the meantime, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification so that you get notified when I upload those next tutorials. And for now, I'm going to leave you with the other video of Cobeads that I worked with them, so you can check that one out. See you over there. Thanks for watching this video.